Everybody, this is Ms Fran and welcome again to another video class. Welcome to this Tuesday snake, and let's get ready because we have so much to learn. So this day we're going to be doing a science experiment. We're going to be learning about sounds, about numbers, and we're going to listen to our favorite music. So the first thing that we're going to do today is this, a science experiment. Are you ready for another one? This more than an explosion or a very cool reaction. We are going to need to wait and look what's going to happen. For this experiment, we need 2 cups, empty cups, hopefully see-through cups. We're going to need 2 eggs. We're going to need water and also vinegar. And the most important thing, we're going to need time. This is not an immediate reaction. This is going to take time, maybe a few minutes or maybe a few hours or maybe tomorrow it's going to be ready. So we need to wait. And question marks, what's going to happen? So we are going to take our cups like this, and we're going to put 1 egg in each one. You see? Like this. 1 cup is going to have 1 egg, and the other cup is going to have the other egg. If you see, these are not boiled eggs, hard boiled, no. I don't know if you can listen, but these are raw. So you need to be very, very, very careful when you take them with your hands. In 1 cup, this one, I'm going to take some water. And I'm going to put some water until I cover all the egg. Like this. You see? And the other one, I have it here. And I'm going to take the vinegar. This is white. Yes. And smells funny. And I'm going to put vinegar here until I cover my egg. Ooh, careful with your nose because this is very strong. So here we have our 2 eggs, 1 with water and 1 with vinegar. We need time because we're going to see what these liquids, the water and the vinegar, does to the eggs. So we are going to try to find out if the water or the vinegar will go through the shell and we're going to be able to see through the egg. This is a pretty fun activity, and it's going to take us some time, just like we did with the plant. So how's your plant doing? Is it growing? So when you see the seed, then you can put it in a flower or in a cup with the sun. So here it is what we're going to have. So now in white paper, we're going to erase a little bit. 1 second. We're going to erase this. Since we already have the ingredients or materials, we're going to do this in a little white paper. Day 1. Today is day 1. This can be done with the help of mommy and daddy. So today is day 1, and as far as I can see, I have 2 cups with 2 eggs. This one has vinegar and this one has water. So tomorrow in day 2, I'm going to draw what I see. So I'm going to keep having 2 cups. But then you need to draw what's happening with the egg until day 3. So this is going to be a 3-day experiment. So this is what we have today. 2 eggs in 2 cups, one with water and one with vinegar. And then in day 2, what's going to happen? And then in day 3. So we are trying to prove that we will be able to see through the egg, and let's see if it works with the vinegar or the water. So here you can take the last look. Look, they look huge with the water and the vinegar. Yes. So thank you for coming to this class. Thank you for participating, and see you in a couple of days to see how this is going. So always remember, draw what you see and take some notes. See you in the next class. Bye bye.